I hope you all are safe and fine. In India, festivals are all about togetherness and harmony. With the onset of vibrant spring season, it's time to celebrate the festival of Basant Panchami. People from different religions celebrate this festival with great joy and splendor and follow different traditions to seek the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, who symbolizes knowledge, wisdom, truth, purity, art and music. So let us learn more about the festival of Basant Panchami. On Basant Panchami, worshipping Goddess Saraswati is a major part of tradition. What does Basant Panchami means? In Sanskrit, Vasant or Basant means spring. Panchami is the fifth day of Shukla Paksha, the fourth night of waxing moon in the Hindu month of Magh. The festival of Basant Panchami is particularly observed by Hindus in the Indian subcontinent, notably India and Nepal. In Nepal, it is also known as Shri Panchami. On the island of Bali and the Hindus of Indonesia, it is known as Hari Raya Saraswati, which means Great Day of Goddess Saraswati. Significance of Vasant Panchami. According to the Hindu mythology, it is believed that Lord Brahma created the universe on this day. As per another belief, while Lord Rama was in exile, he tasted the half-eaten berries offered to him by an elderly ascetic woman, Shabri. According to another belief, one day Kalidas had an argument with his wife and he went to commit suicide. At that moment, Goddess Saraswati emerged from the holy water and asked him to dive. After taking the dive, he became knowledgeable and became a great poet, Kalidas. According to the book Brahma Vaivarta Puran, Shri Krishna granted Goddess Saraswati a boon that she will be worshipped on Vasant Panchami day. As per another popular belief, Goddess Saraswati, who is said to be the goddess of knowledge, art and music, was born on this day. Usually children start learning from this day in a unique ceremony called Vidya Arambh. This festival is also celebrated in educational institutes like school and colleges. Children and teachers dress in yellow color. Saraswati Puja is performed and yellow flowers are offered while chanting prayers. Various programs of dance and music also organized to please Goddess Saraswati. Basant Panchami is also associated with blooming of mustard fields. People celebrate this festival with great joy and enthusiasm. Flying kites on Basant Panchami is the main reason for season change. When season changes from winter to summer period called Basant or spring, in this season wind starts to blow and it is favorable for kite flying. In Punjab, it is celebrated as Festival of Kites. It is believed that over 200 years ago, Maharaja Ranjit Singh Ji introduced the tradition of kite flying on Basant Panchami day. In Harmandir Sahib, that is Golden Temple in Amritsar, musicians start the music by singing Basant Raga practice and continue till the first day of Vaisakh. In Bilaspur, this day is celebrated every year as the fair at Gurudwara, Gurudwara Lahore, to commemorate the marriage of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. In Rajasthan, it is customary for people to wear jasmine garland on Basant Panchami celebration. In Maharashtra, newly married couples visit temple, offer prayers on the first Basant Panchami after the wedding, dressed in yellow color. In Uttarakhand, Basant Panchami is also known as Shri Panchami or Gyan Panchami. The locals dress in yellow color and perform Chaun Phula and Jumelia dance and fly kites. In Bihar, Basant Panchami is celebrated as a sun festival and people worship the sun god Surya in the morning. Goddess Saraswati, Holy Ganga, and the earth are also worshipped on this day. Basant Panchami is also known as Shri Panchami in Orissa. The day also marks the beginning of the chariot making process for the Rath Yatra in Puri. In West Bengal, Saraswati Puja is celebrated as community festival with lots of devotion and enthusiasm. In most homes, Anjali is offered to Goddess Saraswati, which is bay leaves, marigold, palash, and sandal paste. On Murti Visthapan Day, a big processions are held. The idols of Ma Saraswati are immersed in the holy water of Ganga with serenity. This day is celebrated by savoring dahi chura with gur and banana. In Brij on Vasant Panchami Day, temples are decorated with yellow flowers and idols are adorned with yellow dress. In Shri Baki Bihari Temple of Vrindavan, priests start holy celebrations by tossing abir and gulal on deities on Vasant Panchami Day. The color of Basant Panchami is yellow, and that's why traditional delicacies are prepared of yellow color. Sweet rice, bundi, laddus, dry fruits are made in almost every house on this day. Traditionally in Punjab, makke ki roti and sarson ka saag are made. In Bihar, kheer, malpua and bundi is offered to Goddess Saraswati. The color yellow has a great significance in the celebration of Basant Panchami, as it marks the harvest of mustard crop with yellow blooms. Yellow color symbolizes peace, prosperity, light, energy and optimism. The significance of Basant Panchami is big in Hindu culture. The day is considered extremely auspicious to start new work, perform housewarming ceremony, that is Griha Pravesh. So my dear children, thank you and very happy Vasant Panchami to all. And let's end this session by reciting Saraswati Vandana.
शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेष जाड्या